If x equal to e power sin hy, then find dy by dx. Given that x equal to e power sin hy and differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx of x equal to dy by dx of e power sin hy. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of e power sin hy is e power sin hy into derivative of sin hy. So 1 equal to e power sin hy into derivative of sin hy cos hy into dy by dx. So 1 equal to x into this is can be taken as ax. So x into cos hy into dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx equal to 1 by x into cos hy. Thank you students. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.